Market is about to open in 1 minute. Here we go. Looking at NQ to see where the overall tech market is heading. If NQ confirms a downward trend, then I may take a Tesla sell position. Tesla is trying to hold up here. Here we go. I'm in. You should know to never go 100% of your funds in a position, because if the trade goes the opposite direction, you risk blowing your account. I've taken 30% of my funds in this position because risk management is everything. This will protect you from large losses whilst making small profits over time. Remember, small steps goes a long way. Up nicely. Should be able to break 205 from this candle. This will flush if NQ comes down. 10 cents off. New low. It's gone. Looking to get out. I'm out. 156 US dollars. I made 138 pounds. That was a very neat trade.